how do you fix the lighting from one car to the other car? You can remove, let's say you have an old car that's broken, and you have the lights from here. You just need to plug the wires out and the LED light out, like so. And you just need to see the connecting wires that go to this other rock crawler that has an LED here. So when you connect these wires here, that's about it. So you have a new set of lights for your pretty much old car. All you need to do is solve this part out. Alright, up here, and it should be good to go. Let's stop all this. So what I'm trying to do here is I want to put the LED lights in between the screws on this mount so that they stay in place and they look like this, and the wires will go underneath and then they will connect to the circuitry here. So hopefully that should hold the light in place even in rough conditions. Alright, so it looks finally.
Turn off the light. It's a monster tree light. Car.
Wow, that's awesome. Look at the throw.
White light.
Can you see how far it is? Wow! It's so far. Ready? Go!
Bye-bye.
Ah.